Morning, even in the rain. Got the list, and I wore my slickers too. Just saying. Let's go get some metal. All right, got a water cooler. Let's start the day. Ooh, and some more metal. Load it up. All right, some more metal goodness, man. Got a little baker's oven and a toaster. Load that truck. I got room in the other one. All right, got a washing machine. There we go. Got to put this one on the truck. Lower those gates and let's get going. I like this part. Here we go. Nice cool morning in Los Angeles. I'm in the Harbor Community Town of Wilmington this morning, chasing that list down. Got a few things in the truck so far. Let's stack it pretty. All right. Get a light on it. Got us a screen door and a fan. Let's go to work. Throw that in the truck. Metal goodness. Not bad today. Got a little something to throw in the other truck. Looking good. Yes, I picked up that washing machine, but you know, it was lighter because it didn't have a lid, and I was able to put it in the truck with the other heavy goodies, and we'll deliver this to the scrapyard today. Thank you. All right, we back at the scrapyard, trying to get to the metal dumping area. That's a concrete area. Gotta wait my turn. Someday maybe I'll get a dump truck. Man alive. Wow. All in a day's work at the scrapyard. Man alive. Well, Grandpa, let's go empty what we got. Well, you guys saw it was raining this morning. Now it's beautiful blue sky, windy, and the mud's drying up too. Let's get to it. Don't fall, Grandpa. That buck. Oh, man. Up we go. Well, let's get what we can here. Oh man, appreciate everybody coming on the journey. This toaster oven's seen better days. Time to get recycled. Washing machine, I love you, but you gotta go. Let's go, Grandpa. Gotta get a good base. Use your legs, not your back. Woo! Oh yeah, boy. Na 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 na. Hey, hey. Goodbye. Oh man. Every bit of room. Don't want this to fall on me, that's for sure. All right. Let's go. Push. I love me some steel pallets. Gotta drop my feet. Woo! Might have to pull up a little, get the others. Woo, gotta make room, baby. Almost there. Okay, maybe we'll have some room. Let's see. Thank God, man. Got the steel deck from Complete Truck and Body in LA, man. This steel deck helps me stay safe, but heavy items definitely move a little bit on it. Every little bit, steady, steady, steady. Here we go. Oh man, you don't want this falling on you. No, no, no. All right. Little by little. Don't let it swing around and hit you. Man, we almost there. So grateful for these heavy pallets. Let's get them off safe. Yay! All right, one to grow on. Got it. Easy peasy. After this, man, we'll close up, sweep up, and get it going. Woo! All right, Grandpa, let's sweep up and get weighed and paid. Man, it never gets old. Whoa! Man, right next to me. I just had to. Gravel, how are you? Sand, I am fine. Oh man, scrapyard humor. Let's get weighed. Tail the tape, let's get paid. All right, here's how we did, and some good weight today. Still about 195 per gross ton, 1,600 pounds. So it was good to empty that other one, make 70-ish, so 139, 2 loads, about 200 bucks. Pays for everything and the time, and again, be safe out there, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys always for watching. Thank you.